To get started, I just have this picture open in Photoshop, and I'd like to remove the person on the left. Let's start with the easiest way to remove something. First, you'll need to select the lasso tool, and then a roughly trace around the object of person you'd like to remove. Once you've made your selection, use the Shift F5 keyboard shortcut to bring up the filter settings. It should already be set to content aware, but you might need to check color adaptation to get a more accurate result. And now when I hit OK, it'll simply remove the object from my background. This looks okay, but it's not perfect because I'm noticing the sharp cutoff with the colors. To fix issues like this, I would just select the bad area and press Shift F5 again, and just click OK again in the pop-up to clean it up. You might even need to do more passes, but eventually you'll probably get a decent result. I'm satisfied with this though, so let's move on to a different way to remove something. This time, let's say you want to get rid of boy in case it's the girl. First, you'll need to select the patch tool. You can also get out the patch tool by just tapping the J key on your keyboard, then draw around the thing you'd like to remove. Now you can drag your selection to sample a different part of the image to replace with the current part. This technique works really well when you have a repeatable pattern in the background or a lot of the same kind of objects to sample from. Alright, this looks good. So yeah, that's it from this quick tutorial. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.